Hello dear traders, welcome to Insta TV. I'm Anna Kasatka. Now let's take a look at the most important financial events for today, the 28th of September. The release of the final estimate for economic growth in the United States over the second quarter of 2015 has sparked a wave of bullish bets on the US currency. Initially, experts at the US Bureau of Economic Analysis said that the country's economy had expanded at the rate of 2.3% on a quarterly basis. According to the second estimate released a month later, the US GDP posted a 3.7% increase. However, the final GDP report has revealed a substantial gain of 3.9% in the second quarter. Certainly, such a vast difference between the initial and final data had a strong effect on investor sentiment. As a result, the US dollar index surged by 110 points to 96.60, posting the highest reading since August 19. However, optimism surrounding the US currency has somewhat faded thereafter. Traders are now looking ahead to new upcoming releases of macroeconomic data reflecting the situation in the US labor market, as well as crucial statistics from China. By the way, many currency strategists observe that China's economic reports are now almost equally important as those from the United States in terms of their impact on financial markets. The recent cool down of the Chinese economy and policy moves of the People's Bank of China seem to have a strong impact on the decisions taken by the US monetary authorities. The three-step devaluation of the yuan, along with a collapse in the Chinese stock market, pressured the members of the Open Market Committee to postpone raising the Fed's benchmark interest rate. Nevertheless, there are ongoing debates within the Federal Reserve. Perhaps better than expected data on the US employment could persuade the country's major bankers to take a hawkish stance and start tightening the monetary policy at the next meeting. According to Esther George, president of Kansas City Federal Reserve Bank, the first rate hike by the Fed should occur in the near future. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Stay tuned.